In this series of videos, we will be building a small game. The techniques you'll learn in this tutorial are fundamental to building any React app, and mastering it will give you a solid understanding of React. This video series is designed for people who prefer to learn by doing, and is based on the official React tutorial at reactjs.org. Our game will be a tic-tac-toe game. We will now demo the game that we will build during this video series. The tic-tac-toe game consists of a board of 3 rows and 3 columns of squares. 2 players take turns clicking on the board. The player who starts marks an X on the board and becomes player X, and the next player becomes player O. The first player to get a row, column, or diagonal line of 3 X's or O's wins the game. For example, player X starts in the top left square. Player O follows with a move in the square below. Player X's second move is in the top right square. Player O's second move is in the top middle square. Player X then clicks on the bottom left square. Player O blocks with a move in the center square. Player X follows with a move in the bottom middle square. And player O wins with a move in the right central square. We have now demonstrated how our game works.